Hey guys, Callum here, Low and Slow Basics. Today we're going to show you how to do the perfect loin roast with that perfect crackling. Now all you're going to need is some salt, your favourite rub, either a jacquard, or you can just use a knife and you can score the skin. And obviously your beautiful pork loin roast. We've got this from Drake's. I took it out of the vac seal, gave it a quick rinse and a rub down with some paper towel. Now, what we're going to do, now all this does is simply penetrate the skin, lots of little blades. This is going to help the fat escape the skin and get that nice bite through crispy crackle. You want to put quite a bit of pressure on it. Be careful. Hold it steady. Pork skin can be quite tough. You can see all these little holes. That looks good to me. Now we've got that skin all prepared. You want to add your favourite rub. This is something I made myself. Little trial rub that we're putting together. Don't get it on the skin. This will be going in the fridge overnight to dry that skin out. Heavy coat of salt. Now we're going to chuck this in the fridge overnight and get this roasting tomorrow. Right, it's the next day. It's been 24 hours in the fridge. Skin's dried out quite nicely. I've just got these apples here to help drain off the fat and create that perfect crackling that we're all chasing. Got the master build here. Got it set at 450 Fahrenheit. We're looking about 145 internal. Got some peach wood from a natural smoke, and we've got our olive pit briquettes as usual. Let's chuck this in. Beautiful. That is sitting pretty. As you can see, the apple's going to help keep that on an angle. Fat's going to drip off, and we're going to get that perfect crackling we're chasing. We'll be back. This won't take long. We have come to temp, and look at that. Ooh. Wow. I'm gonna let this rest and we'll be back to carve it up. One thing to remember, always leave the crackling exposed when you wrap to rest. We do not want to lose that. Right guys, it's come to that time. It's reached the internal temp of 145. We'll let it rest for 10 minutes. So let's do the carve. Wait. Uh-oh. Really think that jacquard done its job. Perfect cut through. Wow. Cheers. Perfect bite through crackle. Give this a shot, guys. Don't forget to click like, subscribe and comment if you can. Plenty of competitions coming through. Low and Slow Basics.